Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions for fixing error 1015, the rate limited error. And now, let's get started. The first solution to address error 1015 is to clear your browser cache and cookies. To do this, open your web browser. Locate and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select History. You will then see a bin symbol, which is the Clear Browsing Data button. Click on it. In the time range selection, choose All Time to ensure all data is cleared. Finally, click on the Clear Browsing Data button. After clearing the cache and cookies, click on the three dots again. Navigate to Help and Feedback, then select About Microsoft Edge, About Chrome, or about whatever browser you are using. This action will check for and install any available updates for your browser. If clearing the cache and cookies and updating your browser does not resolve the issue, your next step is to reset your browser settings. Click on the three dots once more and go to Settings. Look for the option to reset settings. Click on Restore Settings to their default value and confirm the reset. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.